Hello, and welcome to Getting Started with ZIPPYDOC. In this video, we will show you how to use the AddColumn task in ZIPPYDOC. AddColumn can be used to append a new column to a data table. The column can either be blank, contain a default value, or contain numerical or text calculation. The dataset we are using for this example contains sales information for a sporting goods company, which has stores in various locations. Each row of this table is a sales entry that contains details about the date of purchase, location, product type, and price. In this example, we are going to add a column which will have a numerical calculation. In this column, ZIPPYDOC will use quantity and rate to find the price for each sales entry. In order to get started, we need to add the data table to a ZIPPYDOC flow. We have explained how to do this in a previous video. Please check it out if you would like to know how to do it. In this case, we have already added the table to a flow. We then add the AddColumn task to the flow. We can do this by clicking the Select Task button and choosing the AddColumn task from the available list of options. The task has now been added to the flow, and we can update the description of the task. It is a helpful practice to briefly describe what a task is doing. In this case, we'll type in calculates price. We can then start entering the parameters by clicking the Parameter tab. The first pane in the Parameter tab is Select Input Table. In this case, we will select I_AddColumn. The next pane is New Column Options. The new column name is Price. In the column value type, we will select Numeric Formula. And in Input Formula, we will type in the numerical formula. We will use standard syntax with the names of the columns in square brackets. So we'll type in square brackets open, quantity, square brackets closed, asterisk, square brackets open, rate, square brackets closed. Next is the Define Output Table pane. In the table name field, we'll select Custom. And in Output Table Name, we'll type in O_price_calc. We will leave the other fields unchanged. And now we can run this task. Once the task has been executed, a new output table will be generated. We can see that ZIPPYDOC has created a new tab named O_price_calc with a new column named Price with all the calculated values. Although this is a simple example, AddColumn is a powerful task that can be used for much more complex numerical and text calculations or to label specific entries. Thank you for joining us in this instructional video series for ZIPPYDOC. We will see you in the next video.